Hello, I'm here to tell you about Simplified Independent Measures T. Yes, you see that right. This is Simplified Independent Measures T. So the first thing that you need to realize is that this is your sample mean, this is your population mean, this is your estimated standard error. Now this is your estimated standard error for Simplified Independent Measures T. This is specific to this test. Then you have your pooled variance, which is just SS1 plus SS2 over DF1 plus DF2. And in this case, DF is just N1 plus N2 minus K, and K is your number of treatments. Now, we don't have the numbers listed here, but our number of treatments here are 2. And our N is 12, and our SS is 1740, and our N is 12, and our SS is 1560. SS is just the sum of the squared deviations. This here is your R squared. Your R squared is the percentage of variance accounted for by treatment. Percentage of variance accounted for by treatment. Now, we'll see what the numbers do here. First off, we're gonna do our pooled variance. So we have our SS1 and SS2 over DF1 plus DF2, which is just N minus 1 and N minus 1. Makes it 33 over 22, comes out to 150. Now, to get our estimated standard error, we just take our pooled variance, which is 150, and put that over 12, and it's the square root of it. That comes out to 5. So now we have a difference. The book gave us a difference of 8. This would be just subtracting one mean from the other. And this is an assumption of 0. U1 minus U2 is always 0, because if you have one number that is 3 and you subtract the other number, which is assumed to be 3, then you come up with 0. So it doesn't matter what that number is, it's always going to be 0. So we have a difference here of 8 minus 0 comes out to 1.6. On page 588 in the 7th edition, you'll find the T-crit, and you go across the top to find 0.05, and then you go down the left-hand side and you find your DF of 11, and you find your T-crit of 2.074. Then, to find our R squared, we take our T and you square it over your T squared plus DF. And here we have our T squared, and you just follow that through, and it comes out to 0.10. And that is our simplified independent measures T. Have fun!